We're here at the Bottleworks Hotel, which used to be a Coca-Cola factory. This building was abandoned for years, and then recently they pretty much did a massive renovation to this whole place, and now it's a hotel.
I think it's locked.
Well, this is heavy. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. We actually go the wrong way. There's the stairs. Okay, we went the wrong way. Oh my gosh, that's the wrong entrance. They're like 20-pound doors. Let's try it. The entrance in the front. Ooh, look at, we have a Tesla. Very fancy.
Where's the elevator in here?
Oh, look, it's, wait, what the? Oh, the elevator's in there somewhere. I'm in that place. But this is cool, that's cool. Anyway, there's the 80 entrance. Right here.
There's a garage over there, across the street. Yes.
Yeah. Here it is. Coca-Cola. There's a lot of old buildings down here. Some new ones have popped up, but mostly old buildings. Wow. Morning.
Fantastic. How are you?
Just fine, thank you.
I just came here to see what this building looks like. Where is the elevator? This way. Wow.
Hi there. Good, how are you?
And here are the elevators. Look at how nice these elevators are. And we got some KONEs. Look at, whoa.
Hi.
Come on in.
Okay.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good. You?
Good.
Where are you off to?
Going down to the basement.
Okay.
We're just filming the elevators here because this is a nice place.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's a lot to see.
Yeah. This used to be a bottling factory?
Yes.
Really?
At one time it was supposed to be the world's largest back.
Really?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Go ahead.
Go
We're
ahead.
gonna try to roll up to 3 or 4.
Oh, okay. Yep.
All right.
Sure can.
Thanks.
Okie dokie. Have a good day.
Thank you.
too.
We do.
Yeah.
These are nice KONEs.
Third floor.
Want to change
Going
here?
down.
Maybe we should change here.
Yeah, let's do that.
Going down.
This is a really neat place. Yeah, there we go.
Long hallway.
Yeah, this is a big building. And these are MRL. This may be MonoSpace, yeah. What's this one? my favorite is the picture in the back.
It's cool.
It is really cool.
Did you get a picture of that or video of that picture?
Oh yeah.
I wonder if that's at the Indianapolis 500.
Probably.
Basement.
Basement, like the voice.
Going up.
These are actually really nice elevators.
Yeah.
Third floor.
Going down?
Yeah. Are you
Going
guys-
down.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
First floor.
Good right.
Thanks. Thank you.
Going up.
Yeah, let me show you the. Yeah. Look at that. That is really cool doors.
This is a cool place.
It is. It is. It's really neat. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.